Well, at a time when there have been several reports of flight safety concerns on Spicejet, including several yesterday, questions have been raised now on the safety of the airline.
Due to its planes experiencing 9 technical problems in the previous 3 weeks, Spicejet has been on the DGCA's radar. So what are the reasons that led Spicejet to its grave? Market share. Once an investor darling, Spicejet is now the worst performing airline stock in India. They have been losing their market share continuously to Indigo from 17.5% in May 20 to just 9.5% in May 22. If this wasn't enough, the revival of Jet Airways and Jhunjhunwala's much awaited Akasa Air have decreased their prospects of gaining that lost share back. Continued losses. The airline was one day away from filing for bankruptcy in 2015 when Singh took over management from Sun TV's Kalanidhi Maran. From that point on, he was successful in reviving the business, but only a few months after the pandemic, they were back at ground zero. In order to stay afloat in the face of mounting losses and rising debt, they have reduced salaries to the absolute minimum across all grades and made significant layoffs, cutting their wage bill in half from 110 crores per month to 40 to 50 crores. Aircraft issues. Spicejet had hoped to replace their older aircrafts with newer models in order to generate some sales and leaseback revenue. But that strategy backfired when Boeing delayed the company's deliveries because their attention shifted more towards Akasa Airlines. Following the grounding of Jet Airways, Boeing had only one customer for its MAX aircraft in India and was desperate to get a new customer on board. Last but not the least, legal troubles. The airline was ordered to cease operations by the Madras High Court in December 21 after it failed to pay over $24 million to Swiss maintenance, repair and overhaul service provider SR Technics. By reaching a settlement by April of this year, they managed to dodge that bullet. As they were taking a break from their legal woes, their chairman was booked on suspicion of defrauding a Gurugram resident. With so many issues piling up, how will they survive? There are a few things actually going their way as of late, like their cargo delivery service, Spice Express. According to financial analysts, Spicejet's ability to survive will depend on how well this strategy pays off, as the logistics and cargo space are a difficult route to navigate because of well-established players like Blue Dart, DHL and Delivery. In addition to that, promoter Ajay Singh recently announced that he is exploring a partial stake sale and is in talks with a Middle Eastern carrier for the same. If you liked our content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe us on YouTube.